Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to connect and use any webcam on any smart TV. So let's get started. First thing first, connect the camera to your smart TV using USB or HDMI input port using a USB HDMI cable. Power on your TV and press the source or input button on your TV remote. Cycle through all the input sources until your camera picture appears on your smart TV screen. Adjust the camera to see yourself on your smart TV screen. Then follow the on-screen instructions to connect the webcam to the internet. If your TV has a built-in video call app, open the app and check if your webcam has been successfully detected and connected. If not, you may need to adjust the settings in the app. If you are planning to use a third-party video calling app like Zoom or Skype, ensure that the app is compatible with your TV. Once you have the app open on your TV, you should be able to make and receive video calls using your webcam. So that's it. Make sure that you only use reputable apps and services and consider covering the webcam when not in use to prevent unauthorized access. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.